Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2018 comments past question number 6. So as I said earlier, we are using this diagram to answer question 5, 6 and 7. So question number 6 says the space marked S represents dash, that is this space here in this box. That is where we have our S. A, industry; B, foreign trade; C, home made; D, production. The space here by the diagram of commerce or trade is industry. So is what we have is industry. So the correct option here is option A. Thank you and God bless you, and sure you subscribe for more of our videos.